What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna attempt to figure out and fix what's wrong with the Vega, but in that process ended up with more issues. As you can see, it's pulling the threads out of the carburetor bowl, trying to change jets here. So we're gonna helicoil that and then move on to try and figure out what's wrong with the transmission. Alright guys, got the carburetor back together. Turn on the fuel pump, no leaks. So now we're moving on to the transmission. Alright guys, everything is off and we've got the band adjusted. Now we're going to check the fluid, make sure that's all good. Keep going from there. Alright guys, got all the spark plugs out and we're going to do a compression test now. Alright guys, got all the spark plugs back in. All of our compression numbers are within 7 pounds of each other, so that's all good. Ready to run. Alright guys, now we are going to check the transmission pressure with this nice gauge here. See what that is, and if it's normal, then all should be good. Alright guys, got the gauge tightened into the servo cover over there. Got it just inside the car here so that we can read it. Make sure the transmission is all good. Alright guys, as you saw there, transmission pressure is good. Check the fluid and it's a little bit high, so we're going to try and drain a little bit of that out. Alright, a little bit of fluid drained out. Should be ready to go out to Hot August Nights number 2, ready to race. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.